Johanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY tutorial. Today's tutorial is how to make little trinket dishes at home using some air dry clay. So you're going to want to have some air dry clay that you can get at any craft store, a rolling pin and maybe a little bit of water on hand, and you just want to take some clay and knead it until it's soft, and then you can use a rolling pin to roll it out. You don't want to make it too thin because then it may crack later when it dries, so you want it to be at least 1/4 of an inch thick. And then I'm going to use a little soap box to create the shape of my trinket dish for this first idea. So I just pressed it in, and then I took a butter knife just to trim off the excess and used a very small amount of water to smooth over the dish. You don't want to use much water because the more water you use, the more likely it will crack as it dries. I took a stamp and stamped in a letter of the person's name I intend to give this to, and then set it aside to dry. The second dish, I'm doing the same thing with the rolling pin, and then I'm just using something round to cut out the shape of the dish. And then I used a little bowl to make this into a bowl shape, so just pressed it into the bowl, again smoothed over with a little bit of water, not too much, and allowed it to dry. So you want to let it dry for at least a day. And then once it was completely dry, I just painted it. So I painted the stamped tray with this opal blue paint, which turned out really pretty. And with the other dish, when it dried completely, I decided to spray paint it gold. And these are super cute for keeping like your jewelry or your rings, and they're just so easy and quick to do with a really nice end result. So you can decorate them however you like. You could press in different objects like seashells or paint them in any color that you like to make them suit the recipient that you intend to give them to. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little idea and might give it a try, and I hope to see you here again on my channel next time. Bye.